beluga, shark, penguin, crocodile. Let's learn sea creature fun facts. Lemon shark. Lemon sharks have a special sense that helps them find food in the dark waters. Manta ray. Manta rays can jump super high out of the water and do flips. Seahorse. Seahorses are very slow swimmers and use their tiny fins to move through the water. Dolphin. Dolphins have their own signature whistles like human names. Crab. Crabs can walk sideways really fast to escape predators. Beluga whale. Belugas make funny faces and change the shape of their melon forehead to communicate. Shark. Sharks have special skin that helps them swim super fast. Penguin. Penguins use their wings like flippers to swim fast underwater. Leopard seal. Leopard seals have spots like leopards and are expert hunters in the cold waters. Saltwater crocodile. Saltwater crocodiles are excellent swimmers and can stay underwater for a long time. Jellyfish. Jellyfish have been to space. Squid. Squid can change color to hide from predators like wearing the best camouflage. Sea shark. Sea sharks use their saw-like noses to find and catch yummy fish. Seal. Seals have super fluffy fur to keep them warm in icy waters. Clownfish. Clownfish live in special friendship with sea anemones that would sting other fish. Polar bear. Polar bears are excellent swimmers and can swim for hours. Lobster. Lobsters can regrow their claws if they lose them. Hammerhead shark. Hammerheads have special eyes on the sides of their heads to see better. Starfish. Some starfish can flip themselves over and right themselves using their many tiny tube feet. Blue whale. Blue whales are the biggest animals on Earth and can be as long as 3 school buses. Sea turtle. Sea turtles migrate thousands of miles each year to lay eggs on the same beach where they were born. Great white shark. Great whites have special heat-sensing organs that help them find warm-blooded prey. Pufferfish. Pufferfish have special bacteria in their bodies that make them poisonous to predators. Narwhal. Narwhals have a special tusk that's actually a really long tooth that sticks out of their head. Octopus. Octopuses are super smart and can solve puzzles like opening jars.